So yesterday I received this email announcing that this year's Spotify Wrapped is about to be released. Spotify first released Wrapped back in 2016, and I think it was last year was the first year that it popped up directly in the mobile app. Prior to that, I used to receive it as an email, usually around the first week of December. I'm pretty sure that Spotify staggers the release, so you might receive your stats before or after your friends, especially if you live in different parts of the world. I live in Australia, and last year I received my Wrapped on December the 2nd, which was earlier than my friends in the UK. If you didn't receive the teaser email and you want to be sure you don't miss out, I always recommend turning on notifications and updating the app to the latest version. You can turn on notifications in the app by clicking on the settings icon, scrolling down to notifications, and then I recommend having both Spotify features and tips enabled and Spotify experiences and made for you enabled. You can of course enable everything just for the first week of December, but don't worry too much as it's likely you'll still receive your stats even if you don't have these notifications enabled. I always thought that Wrapped was only available on Premium, but last year many of you commented that you received Wrapped on the free tier as well. So let me know if that's the same this year too. And lots of you also hoped Spotify would make Wrapped available for desktop and mobile. So fingers crossed for that this year as well. Whilst you're waiting, you can always check out yours and other people's top songs from previous years by searching for Spotify Wrapped playlists. And you can also check out the top songs from your country by browsing to open.spotify.com/genre/ followed by the year. This will bring back all sorts of stats for your region, but unfortunately it only seems to work on a desktop browser, not on mobile. I'll let you know in the comments section when I receive my stats, and please do the same as well. I'd be interested to see if anyone receives them earlier than me. Maybe if there's someone watching who lives in New Zealand. If you found this video useful, I'd appreciate you giving me a like and hitting subscribe for lots more quick tips on all your favourite apps and devices. And you might also be interested in learning how to get Microsoft Word for free on Mac and how to read articles that are blocked behind a paywall. Until next time, my name is Anthony. Thank you very much for watching.